Welcome to a future where artificial intelligence is actually changing the game on how we're approved for loans and credit cards. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau reports lenders are using it to evaluate a lot more information about us that's scrapped from more sources across the internet. Consumer reporter Heather Sullivan has some smart sense you need to know.
This is a wake-up call to consumers that more lenders can use artificial intelligence to get data from everything from your cell phone bill to your social media pages when considering you for a credit card or a loan.
Data aggregation and consumer surveillance has been going on forever in every industry, unbeknownst to the average consumer, and it's been being used in underwriting for a long time. What AI is doing now is it's giving us even more data.
That's right. When you apply for a loan, a credit card, or a mortgage, more lenders are using artificial intelligence to evaluate your credit worthiness on much more than just your credit history. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau reports many lenders are using AI to gather what's called alternative data, like your cash flow and bill paying history from things like your bank accounts, cell phone bills, rent history, and insurance claims, and to gather what's called big data or fringe data, often from social media, like your browsing history, shopping habits, occupation, education, and places you visit tracked by your cell phone.
People would say, why would my Facebook page have an impact on an application for a loan? Well, maybe you've mentioned bankruptcy, a bunch of times. Maybe the phone tracking, right? Location devices, location data is a big part of this. And look, unfortunately, maybe you were checking into an addiction clinic every morning.
That's why the CFPB is reminding lenders that when AI has denied a loan application or reduced someone's credit card limit, the Equal Credit Opportunity Act still requires the lender to inform consumers of the specific reason so they can correct or improve the situation and to help prevent discrimination.
The consumer has a right to know why there was a negative decision. And what were the factors that went into that? Well, we're not going to get that right now through AI.
If you are denied for credit and you don't get a specific explanation, contact the lender. You can also file a complaint with the CFPB. With Sullivan Smart Sense, Heather Sullivan, Fox 26 News.